Hey, my name's Joanna and welcome to my channel. Here we discuss all things hand lettering, creative tutorials, and product reviews. I run my own business, AGF Design Studio, based in Brooklyn, New York, hence the name of this channel, and I welcome you. Today I'm going to be talking about my favorite lettering books that I recommend. I have them in my own personal library. I still reference them whenever I do personal projects, client projects. Hopefully it will inspire you guys to check them out, or maybe you can share some of your favorites with me. So without further ado, let's get right into the review. This book, Slab Serif Type, by Stephen Heller and Louise Fili. Louise Fili and Stephen Heller are both legends, but Louise Fili has produced some of the finest lettering artists of our generation. This one, I really like slab serif styles. As you can see, I have lots of bookmarks in all of my lettering books, but yeah, I don't know, it's just like super fun. It has a lot of cool like historical examples of slab serif. So it's just like a really awesome reference book, and it gives you like some examples of different typefaces and stuff. So I would definitely recommend anyone this book who is looking specifically for this kind of style of lettering, because I think it's really fun. I just like the boldness and the thick slab serif. So yes, definitely recommend this book. So this book is also very highly recommended. The Golden Secrets of Lettering by Martina, Flor, one of my biggest inspirations and one of my favorite lettering artists and illustrators. So this book I really like because it's like a combination of instruction and a peek into her own professional workflow and process. So she just gives you, it's so comprehensive in what it covers. So it'll cover different kinds of layouts that you can do. It'll cover her own work from her own portfolio, as well as the benefits of being your own client, which is a big part of starting out in any field of art, really, but especially as a lettering artist, it's like, oh, I don't have clients, you know, how do I start? You start by doing personal projects and being your own client in the beginning. So I think it's got a lot of valuable advice, and I highly recommend this book. This book, I'm not grabbing them in any specific order, by the way. This book, In Progress by Jessica Hische, this is probably one of the most recommended books, one of the most recommended books for lettering artists, because she's one of the finest lettering artists, and I really admire her work. So yeah, it's really cool because it'll show you, like, the beginning, it has like supplies that she uses, and it goes into a little bit of digitization of letter forms, because a lot of her work is commercial, so she'll do it, she'll sketch it and then she'll render it digitally. But I think it's really cool because she essentially goes through a large portfolio of her work, and she'll like even show you like sketches from like the beginning points and then to the finals. So that's why it's called In Progress, because it really shows you the stages of her work. So this one, I hope you can see that with the lighting. Hand Lettering for Beginners by Joanna Muñoz, also known as Wink and Wonder on Instagram if you follow her. This book is really awesome because, as it says, it's for beginners, but I got this when I was later into my hand lettering journey. I love books like this. I think hers is special and different because it has activities and projects. she'll like show you, it's like, okay, now we're gonna make a thank you card or something like that. Like it has cool projects that you can take what you've learned and apply it right away. Okay, this one is the lettering manual by House Industries, Ken Barber. This one I got last year. This is probably my most recent lettering book purchase. And this one really changed things up for me because one, it just goes through so many different like styles and finer points of lettering that you might overlook or not consider. Common mistakes that you'll see, like it'll help you train your eyes. So you see that, like this. So if you like this video, give it a like, share it, subscribe to this channel for more videos. I post every week. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.